I think the big challenge for business for find some good suppliers in China is for our high value no high value products or but lower volume. That's a big challenge for our to find a good source in China. Our company is a construction Korean company, and we try to find some good suppliers. And usually these suppliers maybe they are only interested in the how to say high volume low mix products. And our big challenge, big challenge is our products are low volume, high mix. So this need a high this tough quality requirements, and most of the local suppliers couldn't meet our requirements. So that's I think the big challenge. Another big challenge I think for the China suppliers maybe the communication, language barriers. We can find some suppliers, they have good equipment, but their people are not well educated. I mean, not their engineering background. I mean, the communication language the language background. Something like this. They misunderstand our requirements, and you can find some good suppliers, very good world-class suppliers, but their cost is not competitive. So we only find suppliers that is not so good. I mean, maybe they have good hardwares, good equipment, but their staff is not world-class level staff. So that's a second challenge. And so the third challenge for us is that some suppliers need development. So we need to develop a relationship with the suppliers owners. I think the top leaders of the suppliers. Some top leaders, they just focus on the big customers, like top Fortune 100, Fortune 500 enterprise. But our company is middle size, and not in this area maybe it's not so famous as this Fortune 500 enterprises. So we need to persuade them to believe me, to build up the good relationships, to build up confidence to our credit, to our products, and to our service. They are just worried about the payment, something like this. But we should educate them, tell them we are a good company, and we can meet their requirements. Payment should be no issue. We also are very sensitive to do business with them. We find some HR through two options. One is we just through the online publish our high employment advertisement through the 5-1 job or other website like Zhaopin something like this. Another through headhunting company. But for the high position like advanced engineer or manager position, we usually find good people or talent from through the headhunting company. Yeah, we have find some successful managers or engineers for this team. To keep the talented people in your team is really tough for the managers, and we do find some people, how to keep these people in the groups, or keep the talented people in your organization. It's a challenge for the managers. Why? Because China developed very quickly, and then many opportunities for those guys to find a new position, or just for high salary or something like this. But how to keep this supply? I think you should know the supply, your subordinates or your team members' really requirements. Maybe they don't care, the salary is salary, right? And except the salary, they want to focus on how the company can provide some opportunities to develop their career in the company. It's very important. And also I think the company's culture or the atmosphere is very important. It's a company very harmonious, people are work happy and help each other. This should, as a managers, you should create an atmosphere for your team members, so they would love to work here and to share work hard and share the results of work performance, with the team. That's important, except the salary. And another thing that your salary should be competitive in this area. Otherwise, your team members or your subordinates will find another opportunities in another company.